Ford made a bold statement at this year's SEMA show by turning its smallest pickup into something far more aggressive. The Ford Maverick 300T is not just a flashy concept, it is a signal of what is to come, as a production version is already planned for next year. Built on the all-wheel drive XL, XLT, and Lariat trims, this project showcases how serious Ford Performance is about making the Maverick even more thrilling to drive. At the heart of the 300T is the 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine. But Ford did not stop there. The standard turbocharger has been swapped out for a larger one borrowed from the Mustang's 2.3-liter EcoBoost, paired with a Mishimoto intercooler and ProCal 4 tuning. Together, they add 50 horsepower and 40 pound-feet of torque, for an estimated 300 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. The setup is 50 state legal and comes with a 3-year Ford Performance parts warranty, as long as the installation is handled by a Ford dealer or an ASE certified technician. But the transformation goes far beyond just power. The Maverick 300T borrows its stabilizer bar, bushings, dampers, and lowering kit from the Ford Lobo project. Those striking 20-inch bronze wheels are the same ones fitted to the Mustang Mach-E GT, giving it a sporty stance. Other exterior upgrades include an air-designed front spoiler, fender vents, and a Borla sport exhaust with black chrome tips that make the truck sound as good as it looks. Inside and out, the 300T wears Ford Performance branding proudly, with bronze accents and 300T decals across the hood and doors. Even the Maverick lettering on the tailgate gets a bronze finish. The SEMA build rolls on Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, but Ford recommends Pirelli P0 Elect tires for the production version. A set of street-tuned springs drops the suspension by 10 millimeters in front and 30 millimeters in the rear, giving it a lower, more planted stance. Although labeled as a project vehicle for SEMA, Ford has confirmed that a version of this 300T Performance kit will be offered for purchase next year. Until then, attendees can catch the Maverick 300T on display at the Las Vegas Convention Center through Friday, November 7th.